It's a dead bed! I'm already almost finished. Y'all don't know how to open it.
This is actually closed.
There's a squatter in there then. Oh, these ones are the new ones, bro. Wait. Focus. I'm recording. Can you hold this?
Have you drunk some of this?
Yeah, I drink all of it. Mostly.
Got it from school buses.
Yeah.
Bro, stop trying to home. No, guys, these are like abandoned from like 30 years.
Yeah, I can't open this one. Because these are the new ones. It opens like this side. And then that side will open. Bruh.
Check that. All right.
It's gonna be a YouTube video, bruh.
Guys, can water fire?